Hello and welcome back to the lab. So today on the bench I have two hard disks that I got from a friend, and he claims that they are dead. So this one, it fell on the floor and died. The other one, according to the friend, the only problem it has is one of the conductor here is bad. So what I want to do, of course I'm going to test them and see whether the claim is true. But what I want to do, I want to see whether I can repair this that has one conductor here gone, and I want to remove this connector from another dead hard disk. So this one is mangled, as you can tell. I want to remove this and replace this connector. Well, but before that, let's have some apple juice. Well, that sound never gets old. Well, let's head to the other side of the bench and do the test. So I want to connect the hard disk here through this cable and see whether we have something. This one is definitely dead. It's not even spinning. So I don't know whether you can. I want you to hear the sound it makes when we connect it. This one is definitely dead. Well, let me get back to the bench and solve the other one. So I want to change the tip of my soldering iron to a more, flatter one. And I can set temperature to around 300, 300 degrees. Then let's do this. So this is what I need, this connector. Well, it seems like the upper screws are not moving, so give me a second and I'll come back. Well, after like 10 minutes I managed to remove them, but I almost damaged this board, but I think just a little bit. So the whole of this is I think the ground plane. Yeah, I think that one will be okay. So what I need to do, I need to remove this. I need to remove this and replace it with this one. So this is the good one. I will add just a little bit of solder to these pins. So let me try to remove this and come back. So remember the tube. So that is the good connector. So let's head to the other board. So this board, we need to be careful with this one. This is the board that we expect to be good. So we need to be careful removing this connector. Maybe I can just lift these pins off. So this connector is the bad one. Just need to make sure the board is in good condition. So the purpose of this repair is to recover the data from this hard disk. If we manage to do so, then this repair will have served its purpose. So this is how the board looks. All the pads are intact. Let's solder this. So this is the good connector. We first hold it in place like that. So I need to lift the board a little bit like that, then press this down. Yeah, so let me see whether all the pins are aligned. As you can tell, all the pins are well aligned. It's just a matter of soldering them. So let me find a white, or rather a brown background. Yeah, that one is good. I think I need another tip, so let me change this tip quick. So this is the tip we are going to use. Yeah, this one is very nice, although we are still making some bridges, solder bridges, but we can take care of them later. So the pins are so small. That thing is okay. Time to reassemble. It's time to give it a test. don't know whether you can hear the sound. And then this. So here is the drive. So I'm going to remove this cable and watch what happens there. Voila! So pull the cable back, then here you have it. So the hard disk is back alive. It even has some movies there. So I think now I can proceed to copy the data from this. But the good thing with this is that the owner can still use it, since the only issue was the connector. So I can still give the owner this hard disk to use, even without trying, moving the data from it. Well, see you in the next one.